Want to create stunning presentations without any design skills? Stick around and I'll show you how to do it effortlessly with Canva. Hey there, creative minds! Welcome to today's tutorial, where I'll show you how to create stunning presentations using Canva. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who wants to design eye-catching slides, this guide will have you covered. So, let's dive in! First things first, let's sign in to Canva. Head over to www.canva.com and either log in with your existing account or sign up for free. Canva also offers a pro version, but don't worry, you can do plenty with the free version. Once you're in, let's start creating. Canva makes it super easy to create presentations. With its ready-made templates, just click on the Create a Design and search for Presentation. Here, you'll find hundreds of beautifully designed templates. Choose one that fits your style and then it's just a matter of customizing. In this part, you can change the text, colors, and font to match your theme. Canva's drag and drop feature makes it simple to add images, icons, and even videos. Let's play around with the elements until you're happy with your design. Are you feeling extra creative? You can also start from scratch. Just click on the Create a Design button and select Custom Size, or you can just use Presentations. From here, you can manually add backgrounds, text, and other elements to bring your vision to life. Don't be afraid to experiment. One useful feature is the Position tool, which allows you to align a layer of elements precisely. Select an element and then click on Position and adjust it as needed. Want to add some movement? Canva's animation tool lets you animate text and objects to make your slides more dynamic. Simply select on an element and click on Animate. Choose from different effects. If you need more slides and want to duplicate your current slide, just click on Ctrl+D on your keyboard, or you can simply click on the Add Page button down below. To make your presentation flow smoothly, you can add transitions between pages. Just hover between these two slides and then click on Add Transition. You can choose from Fade, Slide, Dissolve, and other effects to enhance your presentation. Just a quick preview of what you've done, you can just click on this full screen button. Now, to finally export your final presentation into a PDF file, it's time to download it by clicking on the Share button that you can find at the top corner of your screen. Once you click on the Share button, you head down to the Download. For the file type, you could use PDF Standard or PDF Print and select the pages that you want to download. You can select all or select it manually and click on Download. And just like that, your Canva presentation is ready to share. And there you have it. Now you know how to create beautifully presentations in Canva, whether you're using a template or designing from scratch. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more design tips. Happy creating, and I'll see you in the next video.